Yimkhiung the tiger, brave heart within. 5 homes unite, a spirit so bold. Together we rise, story told. United as one, us Yimkhiung the tiger. Langapu, Chipu, Bukopu, Lupupu, Funongpu. 5 voices, one roar, hand in hand we stand in harmony. We march across this shining land. Langapu sings the wind through pine. Shipa dances with sunrise shine. Mukokpu whispers, the rivers flow. Longfupu guards where eagles go. Funongpu lights the fire, warm and bright. Together we spark the night. From the valleys deep to the peaks so high, every heart beats the same Naga sky. No walls can break, no storm can sway, for Yimkhiung's children never stray. Some the drums beat, let the chants rise. United as one, under Naga skies. With love, respect, and pride we sing, for Yimkhiung the tiger, forever king. Oh, united as one, us Yimkhiung the tiger. Oh, united as one, us Yimkhiung the tiger. No storm can sway, for Yimkhiung's children never stray. So let the drums beat, let the chants rise. United as one, under Naga skies. With love, respect, and pride we sing, for Yimkhiung the tiger, and forever king. Yimkhiung the tiger. Oh, united as one, us Yimkhiung the tiger.